Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Remove the pre-installed connector by rotating the connector 180 degrees. Push down on the connector until it releases from the rivet pin. Then slide it out. Place slide lock connector on the base of the blade. Place your thumb on the back and push the connector forward until you hear a click. Once the new connector is installed, lift the cover open and slide the wiper onto the arm until it stops. Close the cover and push down until it snaps into place. Place the arm gently back on the windshield and remove the towel. Never let the arm release directly onto the windshield, as this will cause damage. It's always a good idea to run a few test wipe cycles after installing your blades to ensure they are working properly. Lift the arm in an upright position and place towel underneath. Using your index fingers, pull the tabs of the connector out and lift the cover up, releasing the blade. You may need to apply pressure as these covers were made to be tightly secured. If your blade has a pinch tab at the rear of the connector, you need to press in the tabs, then lock the connector and blade out.